Tesla Cybertruck production is close. New details from Elon Musk reveal. Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed yesterday that he walked the Cybertruck production line for several hours yesterday, basically revealing that the first phases of the all-electric pickups manufacturing are close. Walked whole Cybertruck production line at Giga, Texas for several hours earlier today. Gonna be awesome, Musk said yesterday on Twitter. Feels like the future. Feels like the future. Elon Musk, April 2, 2023. Musk's tweet revealed one thing in particular, and that is the fact that Cybertruck manufacturing lines are built, and there is actually a production area that is coming together as production nears. Tesla has tried to get Cybertruck production up and running for a while, but earlier this year, Musk revealed that initial production would begin this summer, and volume production would kick off in 2024. It has been a long time coming. The Cybertruck, which was unveiled in November 2019, has been on the minds of Tesla fans since that night in Hawthorne, California. After initial production was delayed on several occasions, it seems that Tesla is actually on track to begin soon. There are many reasons for the production delays, including the COVID-19 pandemic, which hindered battery cell availability and supply chain efficiency. However, Tesla also has been working to refine the design for some time, and while the automaker's chief vehicle designer Franz von Holzhausen said that the truck never will have a pencils-down approach, the dimensions and features are basically set. Most people familiar with Tesla's vehicle rollouts could have probably guessed Cybertruck production is coming soon. In the past, vehicles that are close to the initial production phases are usually spotted on public roads as Tesla performs testing. The Cybertruck has been no different. Sightings of the all-electric pickup have been frequent in 2023, and yesterday, the Cybertruck was spotted on Tesla's Fremont factory test track. Tesla has been preparing the Cybertruck for production at Gigafactory, Texas for some time, as manufacturing equipment that is rumored to be for the vehicle has been making its way to the plant for months. It is likely that Tesla will utilize the IDRA 9,000-ton Gigapress for the Cybertruck's castings, and one unit has already been installed in Texas. There is also another unit on the way, according to import documents. IDRA is based in Italy and ships its machines to Tesla directly. Expectations for the Cybertruck are huge, and Musk said during a recent drive in a production beta that the vehicle was incredible. Time will tell what consumers think about it, but judging by the over 1 million pre-orders for the pickup, there will be plenty of reviews. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati. My take: getting really close now. The Cybertruck is almost here.